Something else I would love to just do is format all these all the numbers or currency we are seeing. Okay, so let's come down here in price, and here in price we want to do the formatting. So here we'll say formatted as. So this should be currency and maybe two decimal place. Then the decimal separator will be a dot, and the thousand separator will be a comma. And then we want the currency to be naira because I'm in Nigeria. Okay. All right. So this changes the formatting, and we also want the same thing for this. So let's get back here and let's format this properly. So we choose the sum, all right, and we say formatted as. We change this to a double decimal place. Of course, the decimal separator, the thousand separator, like that. And I think we need to do that for both of them. So we make sure we select the sum. No, I think I just made a mistake somewhere. So here, select the sum like that. Okay, I don't think we need to change the first one. I think I was mixing it up. So this should be fine. We'll check it and and be sure. For this one, we messed it up a little bit. So let me make sure this is fine. So each item's price, then sum, and then formatted as same thing, two decimal place, with a comma like that. Close it off. Also for here, choose the sum like that, and formatted as two decimal place, thousand separator. Close it. I think that works just as it should be. So let's do a refresh. All right, so everything is working just as it should be, um, everywhere. All right, great. Everything is showing up nicely, even on the table. Okay. Yeah, yeah, and that is it.